Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really cool 2023 trend, which is the latte look. So let's start. So the first step in 2023 makeup is that your skin has to be nice and glowing, and for that I'll be using this product today, which is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm just going to take a little bit of product on the back of my hand, and this shade is one shade darker than my skin tone because I wanted the whole latte look. So I have applied it all over my face and you can see my skin is actually glowing. I just love this product. Next step is eyeshadow, and I'll be using this Anastasia's Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. This is just the base shade, and apply it evenly all over eyelids first. Doing the same thing on my other eye as well. Now let's take a little darker shade. This has a little bit of shimmer also to it, so I'm just going to apply it. This is going to be my second shade, a little darker than the other one that I've applied. You can see the transition a little bit now. So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this darkest shade and I'm just going to apply it like a eye pencil, because I don't want to apply a black kohl. So this is what I'm doing. It's like a liner here. So doing the same thing on my left eye as well. So I applied the liner. Now time for some mascara, and this is my favorite Benefit Roller Lash. So now I'm going to apply about 2 to 3 coats of mascara on both the eyes. Now time for some brow pencil, and this is my favorite one from Sephora. So I'm just going to do my brows really quickly now. Time for some foundation, and this is my favorite foundation by Fenty Beauty. It's the Pro Filter foundation. My shade is 240, and I'm just going to use my hands, just using my fingers, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now it's time to contour with this K-Beauty contour stick. So I'm just going to contour my cheeks and my nose a little bit. You all know that I don't contour too much, but I'm doing this just for the latte look and also to look a little bit bronzed. So I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp, and then only this will blend like really well. So doing just that here. This is my Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm just going to take a little bit, that's it, not too much, and I'm going to tap it, just tap tap tap. That's all you gotta do. Blush is going to be my favorite Makeup Revolution blush, and I'm just going to mix a little bit of pink and bronze, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. It'll give me that nice flushed look. So this is what I'm doing here. Now I wanted to intensify my eyes a little bit, so I'm taking my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, taking the black shade. I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids and also on my waterline because I'm not using kohl here. And this is the highlighter. I'm just going to highlight this on my cheeks and my eyebrows, a little bit on my nose and lips, and this will give me that really nice glowy face. And this is the Fit Me setting powder. So I'm just going to set my makeup with this powder really well, just applying a little bit, not too much. Time for lipstick, and this is the MAC lipstick. And you know what guys, guess what? This shade is called Mocha. So because we're doing latte makeup, I'm going to apply Mocha on my lips. I think I should apply a little bit of gloss also. So this is the MAC Plumping Gloss and it's a nice shade. It's kind of a nude shade. I think it'll look great. And now time for the end result. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this look, and please like this video guys, and also comment, let me know if you want me to do something different. I will see you soon. Bye bye.
Hey guys, I'm back again. Yes, I've been going through all the comments and y'all have asked me for my hair care routine. So here I am with a few tips, and I'll show you how to take care of your hair. So let's start. So guys, as you can see, my hair is colored. I colored my hair a few months back. It has become a little dry and rough, you know. I've used a few products that make my hair a little better, and I will show you the products now. So the first very important thing is shampoo. So this is the Vela Brilliance. This is like a magic product. It really made my hair so smooth. It's been almost 3 months since I started using this, and trust me guys, it works wonders. So definitely try this one. Guys, use this shampoo at least twice or thrice a week to get really good result. So once you've shampooed your hair, the second very most important thing is conditioner. This is the Vela Brilliance conditioner. This is really good. Take a small amount and apply it on the ends, and don't put it on your scalp. This will really damage your hair. Do not do that. And if you have the time, just take a brush and brush your hair, wait for 5 minutes and then rinse it. After you've done it with your shampoo and your conditioner, this is a really important product. So this is argan oil. Earlier I used to never apply serum, but now that my hair is colored and it's a bit rough, I use this argan oil. Just take 1 drop of argan oil, put it on your palm, rub it through, and apply it on the ends. Guys, do not put this on your scalp just as your conditioner. And guys, one more very important thing, apply this product when your hair is towel dried. And the next very important thing that you all really need to do is oiling your hair. The oil that I use is coconut oil. You all can also use olive oil or castor oil according to your preference. Just take a little bit of oil, heat it a little and massage it through really well. So what I do is I apply oil at night and wash it in the morning. What you all can do is apply it 2 hours before, wait for 2 hours, and then just wash it through. There are so many benefits of oiling your hair. It helps your hair grow, it makes it silky smooth, and makes it really healthy and gives a lot of volume. Guys, use a white tooth comb. This will remove all the knots and will not damage your hair or break your hair. So guys, I do not straighten my hair quite often because yes, I am blessed with straight hair. But if you guys have to straighten your hair or use any curling machine, make sure that you use a heat protecting spray. There are a lot of sprays like L'Oreal or Tresemme. Do use this one because this will lessen the damage that will happen to your hair. Except for these products, it's also important to eat right. Guys, do have almonds and gooseberry added to your diet. This is what I do, and which will really help your hair to grow and make it really strong and healthier. So these were a few tips that I do, which does help my hair to grow a little longer, and now that you can see, it's really shiny and really pretty. So if you have any more tips that will help me, please do let me know, and keep liking. Bye guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Veena. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your hairspray in 5 different ways. So let's start. So here's my first hack. If you want your flowers to be fresh for at least for a week, all you got to do is spray some hairspray onto fresh flowers that you have at home. It'll stay fresh for at least for a week, and that's a really cool hack. Hack number 2, if your legs are slipping, if you're wearing like low shoes, all you have to do is spray some hairspray on your feet, and you just wear your shoes and you're good to go. Hack number 3, if you don't want your bobby pin to slip off, just all you got to do is just take some hairspray, spray it on your bobby pin. That's it. Your bobby pins won't slip. Hack number 4, if you have lipstick stain or any food stain on your clothes, all you got to do, just spray some hairspray and you wash it really well with the detergent, and you'll see the stain is gone. Hack number 5, and this is my last hack. So if you have applied your nail paint and you're in a rush, your nail paint is not drying, all you gotta do, apply your nail paint and spray some hair spray, and you'll see your nail paint will dry really quickly. So guys, these were a few hacks that I know. If you have any more hacks or any tips, let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like this video. Bye guys. Back. Guess what? It's my birthday today. I'm going out for my birthday lunch and I was just about to get ready. So I wanted to show you what I'm going to wear, what is my makeup going to be like, and it's going to be a little simple. But as you know, this color is in trend, and the makeup I'm going to do is a little bit bold, like bold lips, neutralize. I'm just going to start off with the makeup now. I don't have much time, so let's just get started. So as it's my birthday, I'm going to treat myself using all high-end products. So I'm going to start off priming my face with this Sephora primer. I'm going to quickly wear my lenses now. I'm going to conceal my face with this MAC concealer. Use my Makeup Forever HD foundation. The shade is N127. Using this Maybelline Nudes palette, and this is the golden shade that I'll be using on my eyelids. Now I'll be using this darker shade on my crease and on the outer corners of my eyelids. Now I'm going to be using this Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm going to make a slight wing. Now I'll be applying mascara. This mascara is from Estee Lauder. I'll be using the MAC eyebrow pencil. The shade is Spiked. So I'm going to use my VOV blush palette. I can't find my other palette, so this is the shade that I'll be using. So I'm going to highlight my face with this Savannah highlighter. Set on my makeup with this Maybelline powder. So I'm going to to finish off my look by applying this Estee Lauder lipstick. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you like it and I can't wait to go out for lunch now. I know it's a little too much, but hey, it's my birthday. It's fair enough, I guess. I'll see you soon guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video. Bye guys. Take care. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this really easy scrub that you can make it at home, and you just need 3 things: coffee, oil and sugar. This scrub is really easy to make at home. This scrub will remove all the dead skin and will also brighten your skin. So let's start now. The first thing that I'm going to be using is sugar. Coffee. Coffee acts like a really good exfoliate and it will also help in anti-aging. So the third thing that I'm going to be using is coconut oil. You all can also use olive oil if you want. Mix this thoroughly. And apply this mixture on your face and scrub it gently. Scrub your face for 3 to 4 minutes. So I've scrubbed my face for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just going to take a wet towel and remove this. And now I'll go wash my face and y'all will see the difference.